Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a review of the L'Oreal Paris Superior Preference Fade-Defying Plus Shine Permanent Hair Color 6 AM Light Amber Brown. This product promises luxurious, fade-resistant color that maintains vibrancy while providing your hair with a stunning shine all in one easy-to-use kit. But does it live up to the hype? Let's start with a quick overview of the product. L'Oreal's Superior Preference line has been around since 1973, a testament to its popularity and longevity. It offers over 50 shades, and the 6 AM Light Amber Brown is designed to give you a warm light brown color with amber undertones. The formula is gel-based, making it easy to apply without any drips, and the included Care Supreme Conditioner with Shine Serum ensures that your hair remains silky and shiny post-color. Now let's talk about usage. The application process is straightforward, even for beginners. The gel texture spreads evenly and doesn't create a mess. The instructions are easy to follow, and the color begins to develop within the recommended processing time. I found that even if you're not a seasoned DIY hair colorist, you'll have no trouble achieving salon-quality results at home. When it comes to performance, this product delivers well. The Fade-Defying formula claims to last up to 9 weeks, which is impressive compared to some other at-home dyes that begin fading much sooner. In my experience, the color stayed vibrant for about 7-8 weeks with minimal fading. It also provides great gray coverage, which is crucial for many users. Now onto the pros and cons. One of the major pros of this product is the depth of color. The 6 AM Light Amber Brown shade provides a multi-dimensional look that isn't flat or dull. The added Shine Serum helps to enhance the overall finish, leaving your hair looking healthy. Another benefit is its long-lasting color and ease of application. On the downside, if you have particularly dry or damaged hair, the formula can feel a bit drying, so you might want to follow up with a deep conditioning treatment afterward. In comparison to other hair dyes on the market, the Superior Preference line stands out for its long-lasting vibrancy and color depth. Brands like Clairol's Nice and Easy may be more affordable, but they tend to fade faster and don't offer the same level of shine. On the other hand, if you're looking for an ammonia-free alternative, you might want to consider Garnier Olia, though you'll compromise a bit on color longevity. Is it worth the price? At around $10, $12 per box, this product is in the mid-range for at-home hair dyes. And given its long-lasting results, vibrant color, and the added conditioner, I would say it offers good value for money. The overall build quality of the formula, with the gel texture and the UV protection, feels premium. A quick reminder here, if you're enjoying this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest content here on Beautyistic. In terms of user-friendliness, the gel formula makes application precise and clean, especially if you're working with a root touch-up or trying to avoid staining your bathroom. The packaging includes a helpful shade guide, which shows how the color will appear on different starting hair colors. Super useful for those unsure of the final result. As for customer support, L'Oreal's website offers plenty of resources including tutorials and shade recommendations. I haven't had to reach out directly to their customer service, but from what I've heard, they're generally responsive and helpful. If you're wondering how this product performs in real-world tests, I used it on my own medium brown hair, which was starting to look a little dull. After using the 6 AM Light Amber Brown, my hair had a noticeable warmth and shine, especially under natural light. I didn't notice any patchiness or uneven color even after 7 weeks. To wrap it up, this product is a solid choice for those looking for a long-lasting, vibrant hair dye that offers dimension and shine. It's especially great for those dealing with gray hairs or who want to maintain a fresh, bold color for several weeks. While it might not be the best option for dry hair types without some added hydration, it's an excellent product overall and one that I would recommend. Before I go, feel free to check out the product link in the description if you're interested in trying it out yourself. And if you've used this color, let me know in the comments. Did you love it as much as I did? Thanks for watching Beautyistic, and I'll catch you in the next review.